Good morning, guys. Welcome to Mailtime Monday, take 4. I've already established that today I should not be filming. It is seriously one of those days. The first one didn't go to plan at all. The second one, I realised I'd got part way through and I wasn't even recording. I'd forgotten to hit the record button. And part 3, my phone died right near the end of the video, and of course because the phone died it didn't save any of the video, so not happy days. But yeah, welcome to Mailtime Monday, guys, and here we have a happy mail from Jenny over at Jennysis Crafts. I will link to Jenny below. Oh, seriously, this is a order that I put in with Jenny in the new year as soon as she reopened her order books. But yeah, so I'm sorry, obviously I've opened everything, but yeah, so I'll go over everything again. But yeah, so we just have a welcome, thank you note from Jenny, and then we have a note all about Jenny's things. So, hi, I'm Jenny, this is January's, and recently she has been watching The Man Who Knew Too Little. Whose Line Is It Anyway? I used to love watching that. Leverage, I'm not actually sure what that says. Maybe you guys do, or maybe Jenny can confirm below, but yeah. Ghosts, Taskmaster, National Trust, The Grinch, love that film. Christmas Chronicles 1 and 2, we enjoyed them at Christmas, and I must admit the first one was way better than the second. Singing in the Rain, Marvel Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., I'm way behind with that, like a couple of years behind with that. Discovery, Walking with Dinosaurs, A Day in New York, and Frank Sinatra Bio, and Taskmaster. So cool, she's been very busy. And then this is just all about Jenny's Patreon and stuff. So it says, news. Happy New Year. I do hope you had a wonderful Christmas and are ready for a brand new year. There are a few price changes in 2021 as well as posting restrictions due to Brexit. Yeah, we know all about that. I now actually only post to UK physical items because of all that going on. Digital doesn't matter because it's a download anywhere in the world, so but yeah, I am also planning to reduce some elements of my business and focus a little more on my own art. I am also planning lots of extra Skillshare classes and exciting new content for my Patreons. Fabulous. This is Jenny's artwork. January's Patreon theme is A Fit New Start. Here is a look at the theme and colours. If you don't know, Patreon is a platform where you can support the artists you love, and in exchange for your donations you get perks. I have lots on offer to my Patreons, including goodies, downloads and discounts. If you would like to join my exclusive little community, I'd love to see you. Don't forget to stay amazing, and thank you so much for your order. Love, Jen. That's Jenny's artwork as well. That's a Patreon theme for January, which is cool. Jenny has her own YouTube channel, but also sometimes you can catch her live on Instagram and Facebook on her pages. Mondays and Wednesdays, I think. She hasn't been doing it every week, but Mondays and Wednesdays she'll put a post up letting you know if and when, if and what time she's going live. And most of the time you can watch her doing these, like doodling, stuff like that. It's really, really good to watch. But yeah, so anyway, as I said, I put an order in with Jenny and I ordered myself a new cup coaster with the new logo on. Yay. Which is super cool. Love it. So I can use that one now. And another cup, because you can't have too many. Yep, double-sided, because I actually use my cup in both hands depending what I am doing. When I'm working, it's here to the right of me, so I pick it up with my right hand. When I'm filming Social Saturdays, I pick it up with my left hand because it's sat here on the desk to the left of me, so I pick it up and hold it like that. So having the logo on both sides really helps me, filming wise. And then she sent me a badge, which is super duper cool. Taylor's coming. I love how muted down them colours are, you know, because they're quite vibrant normally, but I love the pastel muted tones of this badge. That is super cool. I love it. I'm filming, Taylor.
Hi.
They can't see you.
Oh.
It's not one of them. I'm just filming a mail time, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hello.
But yeah, I love how toned down those colours are compared to normal. You know me, guys, I love my pastels. But yeah, so super cool. Thank you so much, Jenny. This is obviously a freebie because I didn't order this, but that is fabulous. I love it. And I think I may need to order some now to put in with orders because that's just awesome. But yeah, so thank you so much. And then I ordered another t-shirt from Jenny because I loved my other one so much. I had to order another, but this one has something different on it. This one has a bit of a significant meaning to it. For us, it's more of a personal meaning than a business one. But yeah, this relates to my grandma, my mum's mum. Years and years ago, when my grandma and my granddad was young, they went out, well, younger, they went out drinking with workmates, and at early hours of the morning came stumbling home, and apparently my granddad had asked my grandma what time it were, and being a little tipsy, she was checking her time, and she's like, it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Which then my granddad just turned around and like, for the love of God, Marion, can you stop playing trains and tell me what time it is? And it was 2:22. Yeah, you remember that story.
Kinda.
Yeah. So whenever it gets to the time 2:22, you know, we all think of, yeah, toot toot, and Taylor does, yeah. He shouts toot toot. But, you know, we
Honestly,
think...
I didn't know what I was saying, so
I know, buddy. All right, bud. But yeah, so we all just kind of, like, all, my mum, my daughter, myself, Taylor even. Taylor's just grown up with us saying it, but yeah, he does now understand the meaning behind it now he's older. I've told him many times, but we look at the time and it's like 2:22 or whatever, and it's like, oh, hello, Grandma. But yeah, my mum obviously says hello, Mum. But yeah, so it's a bit of a comical thing, but you know. But these we also call our angel numbers because, you know, angel numbers can be anything really, and it's usually referring to a set of 3 numbers like this. Usually, majority of them are usually 111. And they'll just crop up all over the place when you're feeling a bit low or something like that. You look at something, I don't know, pick up a newspaper, look at the time, check online for something, whatever, and these number sequences usually appear as a bit of a, they say, as a bit of a sign from your angels to let you know that they're with you. We also find feathers in a lot of places where you wouldn't normally find feathers, or at unexpected times. But yeah, I know a lot of people don't believe, but we kind of do. So yeah, times have been a bit stressful recently, and I just kind of, a bit of a pick-me-up, but also, I don't know, I just felt like, because I really like my other t-shirt, I thought, do you know what, I'm getting another one and I'm having them numbers put on it. So yeah, I will pop the link to the video of my other mail time where I got my other t-shirt from Jenny, because I didn't show that one off fully, because during that video it was announced that keep an eye on the little bit that I showed, and keep an eye out for that appearing on a Social Saturday video. When that appears, watch the video, because there will be a secret giveaway. That still stands. I got Taylor to randomly choose a Saturday in my diary and write down secret giveaway in there, and then I know to put that t-shirt on to do that video, and of course there will be a secret giveaway. But yeah, so I will link to that video below, watch that. This one does not count. If you ever see me wearing this t-shirt, it does not count. So the numbers on the other one are different. As you will see in a bit of a sneak peek that I do show, I fold it so that you can see part of it. But yeah, the numbers will not be 222 or any others, because I have an idea for some more of these t-shirts with different numbers, number sequences, with different symbolic type meanings to them that I want to get done as well over time. But yes, so that's that. And like I said, my cup, my new coaster, and a lovely badge, fabulous little badge that Jenny did as a gift. So thank you so much, Jenny. And yes, guys, so pop on below and check Jenny out, please. Please, 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 pretty please. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all staying warm in this horrible weather, that weird weather that we're having. I know it's winter and we get snow anyway, but 1 minute it's snowing and it's this deep, next minute torrential rain, all gone within the matter of a couple of hours. I think over the last 2 weeks, we've had pretty much every type of weather going all in one day or over a couple of days. It's weird. But anyway, yeah, if you're in the other sides of the world that are suffering from fires and things like that, I hope you're safe. I hope you're managing to stay cool as well. And yes, so I will speak to you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching. And please go and check Jenny out. So yeah, take care, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!